Hi guys, in this video we are going to learn how to blend colors in a horizontal direction. Here I am applying water as the base coat. Usually we apply water when we are painting larger areas like skies so that the paint doesn't dry by the time we blend each other. So we are using a first color. You can use any color over here, and this is the darkest shade we want to use in this color blending. So I'm using indigo here, and then I'm taking the next shade, which is a little lighter than the previous one, and I'm using that as my middle tone. And now I am using plain water or a moist brush to spread the middle shade a little lower, creating a lighter tone.